A great hike doesn't just start at the trailhead. It begins with preparation. Packing the right hiking essentials can make your adventure safer, more enjoyable, and give you peace of mind from the moment you step outside. First, choose a trail that matches your current fitness and experience. Check the route, distance, and terrain, and be aware of the weather forecast before you head out. Being realistic about your limits helps ensure you have a positive experience. Next, always bring reliable navigation tools. Whether it's a map, compass, or GPS, make sure you have a way to stay oriented, especially in areas where your phone might not get service. Don't forget to pack enough food and water for your hike, with a little extra just in case. Dress in comfortable layers, wear sturdy shoes, and be ready for changing conditions. Carry basic safety gear like first aid supplies, a light, and a whistle, and let someone know your plans. Plan ahead, know your limits, and carry the essentials for a stronger, safer hiking adventure. For more outdoor tips, subscribe and keep exploring with confidence.